Hi there and welcome back to another video in the Quick Win Wednesday series. Today we're going to talk about how to play along with changes in a model's attributes. So let's dive into it. Alright, so I've created this custom command called getChanges with a signature of check attribute. And in here we're actually doing something very basic. We're grabbing the first user in the database and we're displaying the name. I'm going to run this real quick and out comes Anthony. Well, we could check if the attribute is changed before we save it with isDirty. So if I comment this out and we're going to call isDirty on the name, we're going to get a false because we didn't change the name at all. Now, if we're going to change the name to my own name, Bert, this will be returning a true because the value of the user name has been changed. So it is dirty. We can do also the opposite with isClean. So this will return a false because we changed the name to Bert. We didn't save it yet, so it still has the Anthony in database. So this returns false on the isClean method. We can also check the original thing. So after we change the name to Bert, we get original of name. This should return Anthony, and it does. So this is how you can check whether an attribute is changed or is called isDirty or isClean. Now, whenever we save this and we check this again, there we go, like this will return a false because it's already changed and the change has already been applied in the database. To know what is changed, we can use wasChanged for ID, for example. This will return a false. So this is going to add a 2 after here because ID wasn't changed at all. If I change this to number 3 and I do wasChanged on the name, this will return a true because the name attribute was changed during the saving of the model. Now, something that isn't really clear in the documentation, so let me change this quickly to number 4, is getChanges. This will return it will return an array of all the attribute that has been changed during the saving of our model. So this will return the name and the updated at because the updated at is also changed during the saving of our model. And that's how I like to play around with changes in attributes. You can check with isDirty, isClean, wasChanged on a model attribute, or even get the return of all the things that are changed during a saving action on a model with getChanges. So I hope you learned something from this, and I will see you in one of the next videos. Like and subscribe, and take care. Bye bye.